We are now using AI to evaluate AI. This sounds strange, right? But this is actually one of the most useful ideas in Gen AI evaluation, which is called LLM-as-a-Judge. And here are the questions most people miss. If the judge is also an LLM, why should we trust its score? So imagine your customer support AI generates 10,000 answers over time. Human reviewing every response can be little tricky and non-practical. So you give another LLM the user questions, the generated answers, the source context, and a strong scoring rubric. Then you ask the judge, was it correct? Was it grounded? Was it relevant? And score it from 1 to 5 and explain why you scored it like that. You can even compare answer A versus answer B and ask which is better. But here is where it gets more interesting. You don't have to use judge only offline. For a high-risk AI system, you could literally do user question going into a main LLM, then answer from main LLM goes to judge, and then judge evaluates and allows the response to go to the user. The judge checks every response before user sees it. Or you can judge responses asynchronously and sample only parts of production traffic, or try judging only for risky cases. But here's a trade-off. Every extra judge call also add cost, latency, and another model which can also be wrong. So there are really two ways to use an LLM as judge. First is offline. Create thousands of outputs to find where your system is weak. Or online. Check individual responses in production and when the quality or risk actually matters. But in both cases, remember this. The judge is still an LLM and it can go wrong. So calibrate it with humans, give it a clear rubric, and use deterministic checks whenever you can. LLM as a judge isn't about replacing human judgment. It's about using human judgment to define quality and AI to evaluate at scale. Comment LLM, I'll share more resources on this, and save this video and follow for more tech and AI breakdowns.